Man, it's a glary day today. The sun is shining bright, and I've got a little DIY job I've got to do. It's a simple one. I have to replace that light bulb over there. But I'll just show you something. This light fixture is a bit bent and a bit deteriorated, and I need to replace that. I have a replacement one, but I don't know where it is, so I have to look for it, but we'll video that another time. But I just thought I'd do a quick job and take this apart and let you see what's going on. I have replaced this bulb before, but it was a long time ago, and it seems a bit stuck. As you can see, it did start to deteriorate. Like I said before, I do have a brand new one. Just got to go find it, and I'll install that later. Put that there. Also, I have another one of these around the corner, and they're both different. This one is a screw-in, and I couldn't remember. And the other one's a bayonet style. So again, like this house, there's a lot of different things that just don't seem to add up. Why they use two different sockets, I don't know. Well, check this out. Check out all the bugs in that. Beautiful. And I've got a slightly bigger one. So I always thought this light was a bit too pale. Got this one from IKEA. I do remember last time I put this in, I made them too tight and it was really hard to get them undone. Thank you very much for watching. Appreciate all your patience with me, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Take care, everyone, and be good.